Let's talk about a catchy sales tax issue in Florida. It's called the local surtax cap or the discretionary surtax. Many taxable transactions in Florida are subject to this surtax cap, where the local sales tax only applies to $5,000 of the sale of the tangible personal property. This cap does not apply to services, rentals of real property, or transient rentals. Now, the way this works is if the tax rate is 7% and you sell an item that's $10,000, sales tax, the state tax rather, is going to be calculated at 6%. So that's $600 of sales tax, and the discretionary surtax or local surtax, whatever you want to call it, is calculated at 1%, let's say. That's equal to $50 in sales tax because it's only applied to the first $5,000 of the price of the item. So the total sales tax on this $10,000 item will be $650. Now, this can be very confusing for people that have never seen this surtax cap before. For example, if you've just started collecting sales tax in Florida and you sell high-priced items, or you just started selling high-priced items. If you are using an automated solution like QuickBooks Online or Avalara, you'll want to take a look and see how it's set up by default. And depending on what you sell, you'll likely need to ensure that you've mapped your products and services appropriately so the tax calculation engine knows what to do with these transactions exceeding $5,000. For example, if you sell high-priced services and they are not subject to this cap, you'll need to make sure that you're not under-collecting sales tax because that could add up to a very expensive mistake. Now, as noted, the surtax cap doesn't apply to services or leases, and it also does not apply to the sales of admissions, service warranties, prepaid calling arrangements, leases, rentals, and licenses to use real property as noted in transient accommodations, leases or rentals of parking or storage space for motor vehicles in parking lots or garages, docking or storage space in boat docks or marinas, or tie down or storage space for aircraft. Now, the discretionary surtax is reported with your sales and use tax on the DR-15, and you capture your surtax caps on lines 15A through 15D. I hope this information helps you with your Florida sales tax obligations, and I'll see you in the next video.